Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text pop? I'll show you how to create a knockout effect in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 200 pixels. Next, add a cloud element from the library to your canvas. This sets your project dimensions and includes the cloud graphic for design. Select the text labeled Cloud. Then, open the Font Style menu. Browse through the available fonts and select one that suits your design. The text will update automatically to reflect your choice. Experiment with different fonts until you achieve the desired look for your project. Resize this section by dragging the corner inward to make it smaller. Adjust until the desired size is achieved. This helps fit content neatly within the layout without overlapping other elements. Maintain proportions for a balanced and professional appearance in your design. Change the text color to white by selecting the text and choosing white from the color options. Next, duplicate this page by clicking the duplicate icon or using the duplicate command. Next, select the text and click the color option to change its color to your preferred choice. Set the position of the cloud element to white. Now, let's try downloading the current page. Navigate to the download option and select the page you want to save. In this case, choose page 2 for downloading. Confirm your selection, then initiate the download process. Wait for the download to complete, ensuring the file saves correctly. This allows you to access page 2 offline whenever needed. By following these steps, you can easily manage and download specific pages from your project. Click to add this page into the current document, integrating it smoothly for easy access and reference later. Now, let's try resizing the image by dragging its corners slowly. To remove the pamper, open the Settings menu, select the pamper option, then click Remove. Confirm your choice to complete the removal process. Navigate to the desired position by selecting the timeline. Click and drag the playhead to the exact point where you want to start editing or previewing your work within the project. Here is the final result after completing all the steps in this tutorial. Press Ctrl+T to merge this element. Alternatively, use the print screen key to capture the screen. Both methods allow you to combine or capture elements efficiently for your project. Choose the one that suits your workflow best. Here is the final result displayed across both pages, demonstrating the completed setup and layout. This ensures all elements are properly aligned and functional, reflecting the intended design outcome for your project and providing a clear, cohesive presentation. After that, click Share or Download, and ensure you select the appropriate settings before proceeding to save or distribute your file. Select the third page only to apply settings or export content from your document. Now you know how to create knockout text in Canva Smash. The like button and subscribe for more design tips.